bottom mass.
Dandy.
Looks like a lesser kudu.
It does.
Huh? Yeah. But way more mass than a lesser kudu. That's cool. That's what I liked about this one. I mean,
Very symmetrical.
very symmetrical. The other one might, like I said, might be a tad bigger in length, but
Doesn't matter.
But again,
Yeah, he was. I could see the difference.
Yeah, he was.
Yeah.
I mean, he's still badass, but he's lopsided. This
Right.
is symmetrical. I mean, and that's
Absolutely.
life-size mount is going to look pretty.
Beautiful.
You got your Markhor.
That's it.
Congratulations.
Thank you.